Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm excited to share with you how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. Let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Scroll down to find the Accounts option and tap on it. From the Account section, tap on the Add Account option. Now, select Google from the list of available accounts. A sign-in screen will appear. Tap on the Create Account option and choose whether you want the account for personal use or business. Enter your details and tap on Next. Type your desired username and tap on Next. Create your password and tap on Next. Read the privacy and terms and tap on the I agree button. Now your Gmail account is created without a phone number. If Google asks about your phone, simply tap on the Skip button. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tutorials. Thanks for watching.